Here's a beautiful, quick and easy centerpiece you can make to brighten your holiday table or mantle. To make this centerpiece, you will need the following materials: a wooden box or crate, approximately 8 by 11 inches in size, lined with a piece of plastic. You can cut this plastic from a white kitchen trash bag. A plastic food storage container that fits inside the wooden crate, and a brick of wet florist foam, such as Oasis, that fits inside the food storage container. A battery-operated candle. These are readily available in many stores this time of year. A glass vase with a wide opening and straight sides. If you don't have a regular floral vase, you can use a canning jar or even a clean empty spaghetti sauce jar. 2 yards of wide ribbon cut into 2 1-yard pieces. A little bit of jute twine. 2 or 3 yards of wired garland. Little red berries are nice, but almost any kind will do. Scissors, pruners, hot glue gun, and terrarium tongs will be helpful. Lastly, you'll need some of the beautiful treasures provided by Mother Nature, such as pine cones, greens, dried grasses, and branches. Here we've used Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia, Heaven Scent Magnolia, Emerald Arborvitae, Red Switchgrass, and Hemlock with cones. To assemble the centerpiece, place the food storage container in the wooden box. The glass vase will sit in the middle of the florist foam, so you'll want to mark its location by pressing it into the foam before you start adding your greens. Then start trimming your greens to the size you want and sticking them into the foam, avoiding the center area where the vase will sit. It will be helpful to cut the branches on an angle to make them easier to poke into the foam. Attach the candle to the inside bottom of the vase using hot glue or sticky Velcro. Then wrap the wired garland around the candle and gently push it down into the vase. Make a bow by folding 1 yard-long section of ribbon as if you were tying a bow. Then cut a piece of jute twine and tie it around the center to make the bow. Continue to fill in your centerpiece with greens, pine cones, branches, and grasses. Weave the second piece of ribbon around through these materials. Use hot glue to attach the pine cones and ribbon. Keep your centerpiece fresh by adding cold water to the foam every couple of days. Be creative. There's no limit to the wonderful materials you'll find in the winter landscape that can be turned into a beautiful centerpiece for your home. This has been brought to you by the Cecil County Master Gardeners. We wish you and your family a peaceful, happy, and safe holiday season.